In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notebooklm for research. We'll walk through a simple quick start path so you can go from having raw materials, like articles or PDFs, to getting clear summaries, targeted answers, and even an audio overview, all in one place. Follow along on your own screen if you can, but even if you're just listening, this will give you a solid mental picture of the process. First, open Notebooklm in your browser. Make sure you're signed in with your preferred account so your work is saved and easy to come back to later. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option that says New Notebook. Go ahead and click that. Think of each notebook as a dedicated workspace for one project, class, or topic, so it's a good idea to give it a clear, descriptive name once it's created. With your new notebook open, it's time to bring in your sources. You'll see options like Website and Upload PDF. If you have a web article you want to study, click Website and paste in the URL. If you're working with research papers, reports, or readings you've downloaded, choose Upload PDF, then drag and drop your files or select them from your computer. After your sources are selected, click Insert. Notebooklm will now ingest and index that content so it can reference it later in summaries and answers. Once your documents are loaded, you can start analyzing them. Look toward the bottom right of the interface for the Notebook Guide icon. Click that and select Summary. This will generate a high-level overview of your sources, pulling out the main themes, arguments, or findings. This step is especially helpful if you're dealing with long or dense material because it gives you a quick orientation before you dive deeper. Now that you've got a sense of the big picture, you can ask specific questions using the chat box at the bottom of the screen. Type a clear, focused question, then press Enter. For example, you might ask about key differences between two theories in your readings, or request an explanation of a complex concept in simpler terms. Notebooklm will answer using only the materials you've uploaded or linked, which makes it useful for grounded, source-based research. As you get helpful responses, you can save the most important ones. Next to each AI response, look for the pin icon. Clicking that will store the response in your workspace so you can quickly return to it later, instead of scrolling back through the entire chat history. This is great for collecting definitions, key quotes, or draft paragraphs you may want to refine. Finally, if you prefer to learn by listening, Notebooklm offers an audio overview feature. Under the section labeled Audio Overview, click Generate. The tool will create a podcast-style summary of your notebook, which you can listen to while commuting, exercising, or reviewing away from your desk. It's a powerful way to reinforce your understanding without rereading everything. By following these steps, you'll be able to quickly set up a notebook, feed it your research materials, and use Notebooklm as a focused assistant for summaries, questions, saved insights, and audio learning.